Leafy greens such as lettuce are some of the most common crops to grow in hydroponics. It is pretty easy to grow, and you will derive lots of healthy benefits from incorporating it into your diet. Now, growing hydroponic lettuce has some requirements such as a balanced pH, nutrient solutions, accurate temperature range, etc. We will cover the best pH for hydroponic lettuce and other requirements you need to know. Lettuce hydroponic system. The lettuce hydroponic system is a method of growing lettuce without the use of soil. Water solutions dissolved in nutrients are used to grow lettuce plants. Required pH for hydroponic lettuce. The required pH for hydroponic lettuce ranges from 5.6 to 6.2. This pH range is acidic enough to reduce the activities of algae, and at this pH range, plants can absorb nutrients adequately for their growth. The pH range for seedlings should be adjusted to 6.4, and as your plant matures, the pH should be adjusted to 6.0. However, if the pH goes high on the pH scale, it falls into the alkaline range, which is not good for your plant. The alkaline range that's too much or too high can cause a nutrient lockout. You should note that plants absorb nutrients at various pH ranges. Hence, the pH level is born to change constantly. The only thing you can do is to make sure they fall in between the lettuce plant's recommended pH range, which is 5.6 to 6.2. Hydroponics nutrient solution for lettuce. The recommended hydroponic nutrient solutions to grow lettuce successfully are those that contain calcium, magnesium, and potassium majorly, and they are needed in high quantities. The nutrient solutions must provide all necessary key elements for maximum production at their vegetative stage. At the same time, these nutrient solutions must not push the lettuce into its flowering or bolting stage. Flowering only causes bitter lettuce. Other requirements for hydroponics lettuce. Temperatures. The recommended temperatures should range from 68 to 75 Fahrenheit. All varieties of lettuce love cool temperatures. Otherwise, higher temperatures will provoke bolting or flowering. Light requirements. Lettuce plants do not require much light. Light duration from 10 to 15 hours daily is enough. Aeration. Some lettuce varieties can tolerate low oxygen levels. We recommend dissolved oxygen concentration to be around 8 ppm. Growing media. Lettuce will do well in most growing media such as rock wool, cocoa coir, etc. However, the main growing medium is the nutrient solution. Can vinegar be used to lower pH in hydroponics? Vinegar, also known as acetic acid, is a weak acid that can be used to lower pH in hydroponic systems. It can, however, be used only as a temporary solution, as it does not remain stable for long. How do you use a hydroponic pH meter? A pH meter is a very important tool to have and use if you are running a hydroponic system. The reason is that pH fluctuates more in aquaponics than in a soil-based plant-growing medium. Using test strips. Test strips are covered with a pH-sensitive dye that will change color when dipped into the water. You will then compare this color to the color chart to determine the pH of your hydroponics solution. Liquid test kits. These test kits are commercially available and can be purchased from various distributors. Just put a few drops of pH-sensitive dye into a vial containing the water or nutrient solution. The color of the solution will change, and you will compare this color to a color chart to determine the pH, just as you would do with the test strips. pH meter. Digital pH meters are very easy to use. Simply insert the electrode into the water and it will give you a pH reading. Remember to calibrate your meter regularly so that it will give you accurate readings. Can you use hydrochloric acid to lower pH in hydroponics? It can be used for this purpose, but be dangerous in high concentrations, as it can damage your plants. Be careful if you use it, or use safer acids such as phosphoric acid, which can even be beneficial to your plants by adding phosphates, which are plant nutrients. Conclusion. We hope you have learned all you needed about the required pH for hydroponic lettuce. Remember to always monitor your hydroponic nutrient pH constantly and adjust when you notice any slight change. Happy growing! If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.